Okay guys, next term that we're going to learn is called Evelyn. Okay? What we're going to do is, we're going to do an adios and then do a rounding right after. First thing we're going to do is we're going to demonstrate it first, and then we'll go into it by the numbers. Watch us first. Ready? And 1, 2, 3. Evelyn. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Pica adelante, 2, 3. And dile que no. Back, 2, and stop. Now what we're going to do is demonstrate it by the numbers. What Evelyn consists of is an adios, and then guys rounding. Girls, it's just an adios for you. Okay? Watch us on these first 3 counts. Guys, we're going to go back with our left, just like we did in adios. Girls, go back with your right, just like you did in adios. 3 counts. Ready? And 1, 2, and 3. Now, guys, what we're going to do is R stands for right. So R in rounding means your right foot. Always remember that. That's very, very important. Girls, you're going to do a turn just like you did in adios, starting with your left foot. Guys, we're going to do a rounding starting with our right foot. Watch me one time. And 1, 2, and 3. So here's the end of the turn. Girls are going to go and you're going to walk 3 counts with your left foot. Ready? And rounding 2 and 3. Pica adelante, dile que no. And pica adelante, 2, 3. Dile que no.